I got it here, brand new STIHL electric chainsaw. This was made in 2020 from what I understand, and guess what, I charge it full all the way. You can check it by pressing this button or 4 bars, and there's oil. They added to me for free at the STIHL. And let's cut it up. The tree over here, we'll start with the smaller logs and go up and see how it does. I'm gonna keep working till we run out of battery. By the way, this is 16 inches. Wow, are you kidding me? Very, very sharp. I know why it slows down sometimes. I guess I want to cut it so fast, but not enough power. That's why it's stopping, but that's my guess. Okay, let's cut up something bigger. Definitely is nice and quiet. I like it. Look at that, pretty big log. Chapter 2. Let's try out something a little bit bigger now. I know why it's stopping. I think what's happening is it's biting in so good, it's just not enough power and it's stopping sometimes. Because if I push it too hard, it stops. I love it that it stops and does not make a lot of noises, so that's kind of nice. It cuts it really fast, but as you can see, maybe not so much power that we want to. Why stop? I think it gets clogged up too.